Part 1. Listen to an excerpt from a talk. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Recently, we have been hit by a serious water crisis. This morning, I would like to tell you all a bit more about this very serious problem. Water covers 70% of our planet, so it is easy to think that it will always be plentiful. However, fresh water is incredibly rare. Only 3% of the world's water is fresh water. And to make matters worse, 2/3 of that is in frozen glaciers. That water is unavailable for our use. What does this mean? 1. Nearly 1.1 billion people worldwide lack access to water. 2. A total of 2.7 billion find water scarce for at least 1 month of the year. 3. Inadequate sanitation is a problem for 2.4 billion people. These people are exposed to diseases such as cholera and typhoid fever and other waterborne illnesses. Did you know that nearly 2 million people, mostly children, die each year from diarrheal diseases alone? Water systems keep ecosystems thriving. They feed a growing human population. However, these systems have become stressed. Some of rivers, lakes, and aquifers are drying up or becoming too polluted to use. 50% of the world's wetlands have disappeared. Agriculture uses more water than any other source and wastes much of that through inefficient practices. Climate change is changing patterns of weather and water around the world. This is causing shortages and droughts in some areas, and it is causing floods in others. At the current rate of consumption, this situation will only get progressively worse. By 2025, 2/3 of the world's population may face water shortages. Ecosystems around the world will suffer even more. So, what exactly is causing this crisis? For thousands of years, the human population has harnessed many of the world's natural waterways. They have built dams, wells, irrigation systems, and other structures that have enabled civilizations to grow and thrive. But all these have come at a cost.